ki tnad pahara ki thwet ya ki nongïalam lehnoh bat ki sdang ya ka jingwat banya ya ki nong trekam lehnoh bakongsan hadien baki kubor kila penpau bakat tukat ningut ki briu kila syaset patok shisien haki kam lehnoh kila la banya latlut phet nari bat hadien pat kila banwan phai biang kum ki nongïalam haki kynhun lehnoh mentah ki bor senchar kidang toket kumnu kini kibriu kila ban phet kerat nakarukom trekam bat banyalum biang shabari shwa bakin pau biang hakikam nongïalam thapo kiseng lehnoh.
Security agencies have placed Sajjad Gul and Shabbir back on the most wanted list after intelligence revealed their renewed involvement in terror networks. Both had earlier been released from jail in 2019 after serving a 10-year sentence. Investigators say Sajjad Gul is now leading the Lashkar-e-Taiba proxy group the Resistance Front, which has been linked to several terror attacks including the Pahalgam strike. Officials believe the operatives fled to Pakistan and continue coordinating activities through cross-border networks. Agencies have now intensified efforts to track and apprehend them.